When it comes to being built for speed, the cheetah is champion. Locked in an evolutionary arms race against its nemesis, the springbok, the cheetah has become the fastest animal on 4 legs. It's a true bronze medal belter. Using just 3 strides, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Faster than a Porsche. Every inch of this feline powerhouse is built for sheer speed. A short muzzle and small canines make room for an oversized nasal cavity hidden behind supersized nostrils. Combined, they deliver massive volumes of oxygen to a deep enlarged chest. At full throttle, the cheetah takes up to 150 breaths every minute, each lungful perfectly synced with its ginormous 26-foot stride. A hyper-flexible spine enables the cheetah's shoulders and hips to swivel, which in turn allows the front and back legs to overlap. This generates a spring-loaded motion, propelling the cheetah forward with each step, and delivering 5 times more power than the world's fastest man. And because prey rarely runs in a straight line, semi-retractable claws and grooves on their thick foot pads offer unrivaled traction, superior to the tread on modern car tyres. Finally, a long muscular tail acts as a counterbalance when making sudden sharp turns. Despite this finely tuned arsenal, just 58% of cheetah kills are successful. However, the odds of an antelope escaping next time are now very slim.